Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. For those of you who are new, I'm Jennifer Razon and this is my little space here in the YouTube universe. Today we have some amazing weather outside. The sun is shining with some clouds. We've had some pretty gnarly thunderstorms and snowstorms here in Southern California the last week or so. So I'm taking advantage of the good that we have right now. So we're gonna head down to South Coast and check out a botanical garden I've never been to. So we're gonna go explore and see what we can find. Let's get on going. To the South Coast Botanic Garden. It's really nice. We really lucked out on the weather. I mean, look at this. We got clouds and a lot of sunshine. Very thankful for it. Now we're gonna get in our steps, look at the beautiful scenery we got going on here, and just take in the fresh air. Right now we're just walking like the main loop road, and then we'll explore the little mini roads within that and see what other types of plants there are, trees, and hopefully maybe some birds and a squirrel. We'll see. Rose garden with no roses. They've all been pruned. They'll have to come back when they're here. There's a few blooms. I love the smell of that peppermint geranium. Want some for my own garden. Okay, left or right? Which side? Going that way. I really have no idea which way we're going, so we're just gonna zigzag through all the different paths until we reach the back of the garden and then make our way back up. By that point, I think we got all our steps for the day. Thank you so much for joining me on today's little day trip to the South Coast Botanic Garden. I will put the link in the description if you want to plan your own visit to the gardens, and I will say we lucked out on the weather today. Perfect mix of clouds and sunshine. I do see actually right now that some clouds are coming over, so we made it just in time. And it just so happens that we were able to see some of the performances this afternoon of some of the high school students from some nearby high schools. It was definitely a good and relaxing day. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you had a good and relaxing time as well. Do come back next week as I have a whole new adventure, so you do not want to miss out on any of it. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.